Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a chicken salad. Very simple, basically just mixing my veggies together. So I'm doing cabbage and carrots today, all well sliced and diced. So I'm just going to mix that in. Basically nothing complicated. Most of the prep work has already been done. So my cabbage and my carrots, and in goes sausages that have been fried and cooled, and green beans that have been steamed in just slight warm water and salt. So we're going to mix that in for some color. Oh, look how good that looks. So we're going to mix this in for some color, and next we have our Irish potatoes that have been boiled with a pinch of salt and a few onions. We're just going to mix that in. Oh, I love it when a salad is coming together. It's very colorful and nice. We're just going to mix that in, and that's done. And then we're going to add macaroni. Yes, this is also boiled and cooled down, and the reason why it's not that sticky. So we're just going to mix that in. Mix that in gently. Just to make sure that every part of it is incorporated, so that when you're dishing out, you're getting a little bit of everything. So far we've put in our cabbage, we've put in our carrots, we've put in sausages, green beans, and our macaroni and boiled Irish potatoes. So we're going to pop in some corn and onions, sweet corn and onions, red onions. This is totally optional, but as you guys know, I love onions in most of my foods, so the red onions had to make an appearance. And then for our chicken, and because the bowl was so full, I decided I was going to be adding chicken along the way, because you know how it is when people are dishing out food and then some people just want back only chicken. So I'm just going to dish this out lightly. You can have this with or without dressing, and with or without another meal on the plate. But I'm going to have this with rice and chicken, so it's a full meal, as you can tell. So I'm just going to pop this in. I'm going to apply some dressing, and we're done. So are you going to be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. I want to hear from you. My name is MDEVAAN on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Check it out, and let me know what you think. Have you subscribed? Please hit the subscribe button, because I do love making videos, but I love to know that you are watching as well. Thank you